Hello and welcome to this 101 lab. In this lab we will learn how to perform DNS poisoning. DNS poisoning, and DNS stands for Domain Name System, also known as DNS cache spoofing or poisoning, is an attack in which we pretend to be a DNS server connecting domain names with IP addresses. The tool we will be using is called Ettercap. You can use Kali Linux and Windows 7 in a virtual machine for this lab. To start things off, let's do the following. We type ifconfig in our Kali box. Then we type arp, and we also type route, just to get an idea of where we stand in the network. Now we want access to this file. So vi/etc/ettercap/etter.dns. We want to enter the URL we want to spoof and our Kali's IP address, like this. You can see here at the bottom, I already entered Kali's IP address and a bunch of URLs that I want to spoof. Now next we type ettercap-g. So start ettercap as before with the -g command, ettercap-g. Scan for hosts, then list them, assign targets, and start ARP poisoning attack. So let's do all of that. We want to scan for hosts, give it some time. We want the host list. We want our targets, which is Windows and our router. So target 1 and this is target 2. Of course, the IP addresses are going to be specific to your environment. Now finally click the 3 vertical dots after the ARP attack. Okay, there we go. Now 3 vertical dots, and then we want plugins, manage plugins, and then there is DNS spoof. Double click it, you get this little star here, or asterisk, however you call it, and this plugin started. Then on your target machine, try visiting the URL you've entered into the etc ettercap etter.dns file. It won't work, the website won't work, you won't have access to it, but we'll make it work in the very next lab. So stay tuned. I'm just going to very quickly demonstrate what appears in Ettercap when I try to visit that website on my Windows machine. So if we go here, and I visited from Windows the owasp.org URL, and we see that owasp.org spoofed to the IP address of our Kali machine, as intended. You see how versatile Ettercap is, so feel free to explore its other features, as we've only scratched the surface here. As before with malware, do the simplest attacks first, and if they yield your results, there's no need for more sophisticated ones. After your client fixes these simple issues, you will get the opportunity to try more sophisticated ones. And that brings us to the end of this lab.